Hey ladies, it's Kristen, your Younique Elite presenter, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite products. It is the Beachfront Bronzer. This comes in 3 different colors. This one is the color Malibu, and one side is a matte and one side is a shimmer. And there goes colors from light, medium to dark. I have the lightest one, and what the bronzer is going to do is just add some color, especially during those winter months when we lose our tan. You can even use this in the summer to add a little bit of shimmer and color to your face as well. Look how easy that goes on. Not orange, it just goes on super easy and gives you some of that color that we all love without having to go in the tanning beds, which none of us should be doing. So love this Beachfront bronzer. It's definitely something you have to have in your makeup bag. And look at that amazing contour right there, done with that bronzer. So easy. Use your puff brush to apply. And you can even put a little bit on your chest too to match your face. Helps highlight your chest area too. So definitely get yourself one of these Beachfront bronzers, and if you need a color match, I can help you find your color to match your skin tone. So thanks for watching, guys.